Hello world, my name is Benjamin, and there's something that I have to admit. I'm a geek. I love to explore the power of technology, its history, and its use as a tool within our modern society. See, I believe that technology, the computers we use every day, is first and foremost a tool. Just like this hammer. This hammer is a tool, and it can be used to harm, hurt, and destroy others. Or it can be used to build beautiful things and create shelter that protects people. Technology can be used in much the same way. Each year, millions of people use these technological tools for bad. Hackers might use them to steal millions of dollars, destroy innocent lives, and wreak havoc on our economy. Others use these tools to exploit others and cause lasting harm. This is how these tools can be used for bad. But there are so many ways these tools can be used for good. Many more people use these tools to create beautiful things, connect with friends and family and loved ones around the globe, and others use them to solve worldwide problems. This is how technology should be used for good and the betterment of our world. Join me every single Saturday right here on YouTube as I explore the power of technology as a tool for the betterment of our world. I'll be starting with a review of the history of computing. The computers and technology we use every single day has a long and fascinating history. Perhaps by exploring this history, we might better discover how we can use these tools well. Now, don't worry, I'm a student of technology myself. My videos will not be complex. I've written them for the average technology user, as well as the more technologically inclined geek and professional. So whether you use a Mac or a PC, an iPhone or an Android, whether you're building a tricked out gaming rig or Googling what a mouse even is, I hope that you will learn something more about technology with me. Please subscribe and consider following me on social media. I'm active daily on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Technology is a tool. Let's learn how to wield it well. I can't wait to begin.